Today my lesson, how to apply dragon tail kick. At first you ready to learn dragon tail kick. Number 1, you should go to horse stance. Okay, you should go to horse stance. Number 2, you turn 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Okay. Number 3, you look at your opponent or your goal. After that, you can apply dragon wave kick. After you can go to horse stance. Look at my leg and hand. Both are same technique and same pattern. It is just like a dragon tail. Now you can understand how to apply dragon tail kick. Okay. Now you can see how to do horse stance this way. Yes. After that you should go to 180 degrees. After you turn full round with your foot joint 360 degrees. Now you can see how to apply properly dragon tail kick. Especially remember, you should take your body power for your kick.